Hey, how are you guys? Omni here, and in this video we're going to check out how to install Omni Rom on a Galaxy S2. This ROM is based on Android 4.4.2 KitKat. So first of all, head over to the description and download all the files and place these files on the root directory of your internal SD card. After doing that, boot into the recovery. Check your recovery version, like mine says CWM based recovery 6.0.4.5. In order to install any KitKat ROM, you have to have the newer recoveries. That is, your recovery version must be greater than 6.0.4.3. So mine is okay to flash KitKat ROMs, but for those of you who are having the lower recoveries, I'll show you the step to update the recovery. So if you are having 6.0.4.3 and above, skip this step. Now what you have to do is select install zip and then choose zip and basically navigate to the CM 10.2 kernel that I have the link to it in the description below, and navigate to that file kernel CM 10.2 and just flash this kernel first of all before doing anything. So select yes, and now the phone will flash this new kernel. After doing that, make sure you do not hit reboot system now. You have to go to advanced, and then from advanced menu you have to select reboot recovery. In Galaxy S2, the recovery is part of the kernel, so at any point in time you have to change or update your recovery. You have to flash a new kernel which contains the updated recovery. So we have done exactly the same thing now, and now we are into the new recovery 6.0.4.5. Now from this recovery we are going to perform a clean wipe and then we'll flash the Omni Rom. So first step is wipe data factory reset. So navigate to that and select yes, wipe all user data. Data wipe complete. Next step is wipe cache partition. Select yes. Then go to advanced and select wipe Dalvik cache. Select yes. So after that is done, hit go back. Go to mounts and storage and select format/system and select yes, format. So you must wipe all these partitions in order to do a clean wipe, and once you do the clean wipe you make sure that you don't have any minor bugs, so your experience is not hampered and you get the optimum experience out of the ROM as the developer intended. So after wiping everything, select go back and select install zip. Now we are going to install the ROM files. So select choose zip from storage SD card 0, which is the first option. And from this list, just navigate to your ROM file. It should say Omni 4.4.2 2013-12-12. That's basically the 12th December build I'm having for i9100 nightly.zip. So navigate to it and select install. So this will now install the ROM first. I'll zoom out a bit. So be patient during the installation. Sometimes it can take up to 5 minutes, but in this case it won't. But just be patient, this as well as the first boot. So be patient. So now we have the progress bar. I've reviewed this ROM guys on my channel, so after you're done installing, check out my review also. So I hope that will help. So once the ROM is installed, it says script succeeded, install from SD card complete. Then again select choose zip from storage SD card 0, which is the first option, and then now we are going to install the G apps. So navigate to 12.11 G apps core 4.4.2 signed zip and select it and select yes, install. So this will install all the necessary G apps. There is one more package. Basically you have the choice, the link that I'm leaving in the description will give you the choice basically to choose your GApps package. But after installing the ROM, you have to install GApps. And the last step is you will want root access after you install this ROM. So in order to have root access, we are going to install Super SU. So again, select the first option, which is choose zip, and then navigate to update Super SU version 1.65.zip and select it and select install. So this will give you the root access. So now we are done installing the ROM file, the GApps and the super user. So now we'll just go back and select reboot system now. And the phone will boot into Omni Rom and you will have 4.4.2. So like I said earlier, just be patient. First boot can take up to 5 minutes. In this case it should not, but then again, just be patient. We have flashed the ROM from the correct recovery and we have done a clean wipe. So trust me, you won't have any problems. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more such videos, then please subscribe